Let's go! Come on! Congrats! Ang ganda mo, ma'am. Ma'am, pinag-flex. Yan! 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 Yan!
Asan yung ano mo, overall?
Okay guys, voice over na lang ulit. Nagmamadali na tayo for the All Novice show. And maraming maglalaro ngayon ng mga baguhan, which is sobrang nakaka-excite dahil isa tayo sa mga mag-judge. Pero bago lahat, kain muna tayo ng meal natin dahil for sure, dire-diretso na mamaya. And ayusin ko muna itong pants na itong partner ko dahil kanina pa nauurat. At ayan, kita niya naman yung mukha ng gigigil na. So dito, athletes briefing muna with Master Coach Win Sipe.
Social media. Okay? Kasi handa natin ayusin yan. Pwede kasi natin ayusin dito pa lang yan. Okay? NPC posing front and back for men's music. 5 for classic.
And by just checking these papers, alam kong magiging mahabang araw to. But I know magiging worth it to in the end. And dito si Master Hipe, medyo pumipitik na dahil ang init. Ba naman yung mga aircon, pinaghuhugot pala. Akala namin lahat tapos. Anyway, ayan sa dulo si Coach Earl, si Boss Chief Nico, si Sir Patrick, and si Ma'am Emay, pati si Arnold. So kami yung mga judges dito ngayon sa All Novice.
Hindi naman novice yan eh. So, nag-create ako ng show that will cater for novices pero with international standards. International judges, international staff, and international stage. Kasi naniniwala kami na Supplement Hub, JFIT, and Batang Hibe na kaya ng Pilipino maglaro abroad. Kaya maging pro at kaya sumabay sa mga international. So ngayon, second year natin, congratulations athletes. At kung hindi dahil sa inyo, walang all novice. Okay? Congratulations sa lahat, walang talo sa inyo, lahat kayo panalo just by surviving the prep. Okay? So, thank you judges sa oras ninyo, thank you family sa mga oras ninyo, and enjoy lang natin yung show. May mga divisions tayo for mga, lalo yung mga pampa-inspire like the transformation division. Create yun to give platform dun sa mga hindi naman magko-compete pero nag-transform from fat to fit. Tulad ni Daddy yun, from fat to fat. So, enjoy natin to. Magutom kayo, may mga pagkain tayo dyan. Pawisan kayo at mainit, may mga damit tayo dyan for sale. Enjoy lang natin to. Thank you very much.
Judge, he is an overall champion of the IBB Nationals 2025, overall champion in NPC Warriors Classic 2025, 12-time men's physique champion, holding 2 professional pro cards in the men's physique division, IFBB Elite Pro and WFF professional card holder, Coach Chas Tomendo.
Okay yun, start na yung event and binigyan na sa amin yung events flow ng category. So yan, ibigay rin sila ng biryani bago kami mag-start. And ito nga pala yung men's basic natural rookie. So grabe yung mga natural ngayon. Ang gaganda ng mga kondisyon. So ito naman kategory natin is yung men's physique rookie. And kung sa makikita nyo naman sa kondisyon, size, and symmetry, ang ganda nila halos lahat. sorry kung hindi natin na-videoan lahat ng mga athletes, pero nakapagkama pa ako sa idea na ipakita nila yung second place at saka yung nag-champion para ma-showcase din yung mga win nila.
Second place, my bad. 106, Charles Moais. That means your champion is athlete 35, Sydney Monson. That second place is athlete 101, Joseph Alcantara. That means your champion is athlete 35, Sydney Monson. Second place is athlete number 10, Ariel Manansala. That means your champion is athlete 110, Arnold Paulino. At second place is athlete 79, Melchizedek Bigwan. That means your champion is athlete 84, Paul Adao. At second place is athlete 91, Carl de la Cruz. That means your champion is athlete 73, Tiago de Malsin. At second place is athlete number 12, John Kevin Miguel. That means your champion is athlete 91, Kyle de la Cruz. At second place is athlete 86, Genevieve Lopez. Your champion is athlete 97, Genevieve Manalili Adriano. At second place is athlete number 6, Nika Quiambo. That means your champion is athlete 97, Sheldon Manalili Adriano. Athlete 120, Sheila Ruth Austria. champion is athlete 86, Genevieve Lopez.
At this point, pinatawag na kami ni Coach Earl sa taas. I mean sa stage para magbigay ng mga awards sa mga athletes.
That means your champion is athlete 108 engineer, Julizette.
Sobrang tagal na naghihintay ng mga alaga ko na ito, nakangawit yung mga legs, nagugutom na. Pero yan, gusto niyo sumama, alam niyo ang tagal-tagal ng event. Anyway guys, yung next video natin is Battle of Overalls na sa Men's Physique, Classic, and Bikini.
Battle for overall. Your conditioning and performance for the past rounds doesn't count. Back to zero tayo, square one. The judges will be comparing you. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, help the judges out. Who do we want? This is for the overall championships. Physique division is athlete 110 Arnold Paulino.
Ladies, back pose, please.
She knows a million combinations, but why she's always on the run. Life's too short to wait for things to happen. Wait for that one. And don't your friends say she doesn't wanna be.
Athlete
She doesn't make
97 Generate Manalili Atletico.
There's no way she's gonna leave someone like you. Someone
And yun, sumingit yung ayuda natin. Okay, just a quick break. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga nasa loob niyan. And certificate of recognition plus supplementation from Supplement Hub. Thank you, Supplement Hub and Boss JP.
Competition overall champion is Sino? Guys, I can hear you. One more time. Who do you think will take home the overall championship for the men's physique division? Rosalejos Mariano.
Okay, ito si Lex and naka 2 gold siya and 1 silver. Sobrang dami na kinakain dito. Actually, meron pang donut yan. And hindi, sabi ko sa kanya, alalay lang siya kasi baka masobrahan siya. Okay, bago matapos yung event, may plan din si Lex na mag-propose sa partner niya, which is naging successful din today. So nagre-ready lang kami lahat para kung wari mag-feature lang kami sa stage. And dito nga pala si Ram. Actually, kanina pa ako hinihintay and gusto niya makuha yung code shirt niya. Bro, thanks sa paghihintay. Okay lang.
Let's go, congrats! Flex. Kanin ba? Let's go! Come on! Congrats! Ang ganda mo, ma'am. Come, Flex. Yan.
Asan yung ano mo, overall?
Grabing prep yan.
So, tapos na yung event, tapos na rin yung side event namin, and congrats sa lahat na nag-compete sa All Novice, sa mga nanalo, sa mga hindi man nakapasok pero natapos na yung prep. Guys, panalo pa rin kayo. And may susunod pang show. Yun, sa susunod na pagkikita natin guys, GG!